We found
Il fungo
mushroom. It
è
seems it's a
sottoterra, vedi,
porcini.
tutto coperto così.
Sì.
E poi spinge
Mm,
e
eh.
comincia a uscire. Vedi?
Tu non prendi questa?
Adesso vedo.
Magari è porcini.
Guarda.
Grandi anche.
Vedi che bello?
Vai. Non porcini.
No, russola.
Ah, porcini rosso.
No, questo si chiama russola.
Ma posso mangiare?
Sì, ma dentro?
Russola the name. I don't know in English. It's not porcini at the end. We put back. Hey guys, there are mushrooms around. But it's not for eating, I think. They say it's not good, this one. So we don't pick it up. Look at that. Running water coming from the mountain of Trentino. Look at that, guys. The valley. Buongiorno. We have to walk over there until the end. There is the refugio where we eat for lunch. Refugio is a restaurant and a place where you sleep if you want in the mountain. Usually in the highest part of the mountain. And we have to walk 1 kilometer more to arrive in the refugio for lunch.
1500.
Yeah. We are in 1,584 meters above the sea level. So high. Have to walk more. I walk a lot today. Grabe. Well, you can bring bikes also here, but we don't have. We do some hiking. This one is the place where they put the cow, and then these small houses, chalet. They make cheese in here and store it there. Look at that. Oh, Iliana. Che bella.
Vedi che bello.
Look at that.
Con le rocce.
That one I think is the house of the one who cared the cows. Cow. Vaca. Now we have to walk and climb a bit. The refugio is there. Anyway, this is the mountain of part of the mountain of Trentino. Trentino province. Region pala. Region. Trentino region. The refugio. See?
Non è bello qua, andiamo di qua.
That's where we're going to eat lunch. At the top of the mountain. My God. Look. A road. There is the refugio. We have arrived. I'm so tired of walking. It's enough for me. I don't walk anymore in the afternoon. After lunch. No more. I'm done walking. Yeah, I've arrived at the top in this mountain. Look, we're going to eat lunch over there. It's cute. It's nice. Refugio. Now it's full, the refugio. They have also rooms to rent if you like to sleep here. We are at the top of the mountain. Look at that.
Respiriamo.
Look at that. The view, mamma mia, the view. Look at this. Stand there. Oh, wow. Ang ganda ng flowers na. Look at the view. It's a beautiful view. Oh my God. The air is so fresh. Look. There's heaven.
Ah, sì, giù per Scasella.
Brasile.
Fai.
Look at the view, guys. So beautiful. Now we are going down. We're going down to the parking lot. Oh, look at the earlier the cow. Now they're resting. And then in the night they have to go inside that hut there. I'm going to see it on the bridge. Oh, cutie! What is this? Egidio! Ah! Forte! Ito. Oh dear. Oh dear. It's already, It's already. We have done our excursion for today. Hiking on the trail. Going to the Cascade falls. We went to the falls. Then we had our lunch already. So in a while we're going home. We're going home now. Going to the parking lot. Yep.
era bello di andare fino là in cima.
Sì, sì.
Le mucche e i cavalli. Non è partita dal
Queste
posteggio.
3 macchine, e se sono partite
Sì.
dal parcheggio.
Ho lasciato perdere via il pullman.
There is the restaurant or bar. And then facing to the highest falls around here. Look at that. So beautiful. Nice view. Wow. Beautiful. It's the Nardis Falls. Cascati Nardis. So beautiful. Wow. Quanti cascati we've seen? I think we have seen 4 or 5 cascati or falls. And then we hike for like 1.5 hours. A bit of trekking. We had lunch in the refugio in the top of the mountain. Now we have to rest for a while, then we go back to the town, to the valley, because we are at the top of the mountain now, on the Alps of Trentino. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Bye. Ciao ciao.
Da chi si ferma i piedi? Si è chiesto.
Guarda là, Jenny, che la vedi?
Thank you for watching.
Scendi di là.